Derejuu is an Igbo phrase that stands for be calm or be at peace or rest. There are some sounds that are quite special, like the oo sound, the o sound. The oo sound in Derejuu is something that, you don't even need to say Derejuu, you just need to say oo, and then you get the feeling that, you need to be calm. Why I have a sentiment about choral music is because of the life I think that is involved in it. That is when you bring people from different places, people that have different backgrounds, people that have different voices. When you narrow it down to the actual thing, then they come together, and somehow you see unity. We Nigerians need to tell ourselves to Derejuu to calm down.